Yo, what it is, man? Hills Cooking with Rock in the Hood. True story. Go check me out, man. YouTube. Follow my channel and subscribe, please. Like. If you see something you don't like, talk about it. You see something you like it. What's going on, man? What's going on with this goddamn chicken sandwich, man? And not only Popeye's chicken sandwich, Chick-fil-A too. See, y'all got it messed up, man. Let me tell you something. Out of all the people, I want you to think about it, and all the comments that you see, even right now, about that chicken sandwich, what type of people is talking about that chicken sandwich? I love chicken, don't get me wrong. I love Popeye. But I will not go get that chicken sandwich. And I want you guys not to go get that chicken sandwich, man. For real. For real, man. Just think about it. You know what I mean? I don't even want to talk about it like that, though. You know what I mean? Cause, yeah, I don't even want to talk about that chicken sandwich like that. But what I do want to talk about, I want to talk about some real chicken. You get what I'm saying? I'm saying y'all act like y'all done forgot, man. Come on, man. Some real chicken, man. Come on, man. Chicken sandwich from Popeye, man. Ain't no way in the world, dog, a line just gonna be lined up like that for a chicken sandwich, dog. What are y'all eating? Come on, man. What are y'all eating, man? These people been open since the 18, and they still open. But they ain't going out like that, man. Come on, man. Talking about some real chicken here, man. I just want to say y'all, man, and tell y'all, ain't no chicken that good in the world, dog. For you to be going there talking about a chicken sandwich. Oh, you ain't had Popeye chicken sandwich, man, a chicken sandwich. Look, everybody talking about that chicken sandwich right now. Look at me. But I ain't finna eat that chicken sandwich. I'm finna eat this Maryland fried chicken with this roll on a piece of meat and they good coleslaw, man. Come on, man. That's what we doing. We cooking in the hood with rock, boy. Don't forget that, boy. It's a true story over here. I'ma keep it that way. I'm talking about, it's so real, right? It's so real. The chicken sandwich talk so real, right? I don't even want to go get me a 2-piece or a 3-piece. Because I might buy the chicken sandwich. Come on, man. Eat this coleslaw, man. Come on. Look, man. Come on, man. Chicken sandwich from Popeye. Man, y'all tripping, man. Anyway, off that, man. How your family's doing, man? You know, need to stop eating this chicken anyway, though. Like, for real, health-wise. You know, things real out here right now. Man, and look, another thing. Please put them guns down, man. A little 10-year-old just got shot, man. Because of somebody else with that mess, dog. Y'all leave that alone, dog. Be like a Bill man. Don't wait till they over there sitting down chilling and go up there and doing all that shooting all. No. When you see them in the street, you handle it in the street, man. Stop these neighborhoods where these children live at. I don't care if it's your neighborhood or what. Then if it is your neighborhood, you starting trash, you bringing the trash back to your neighborhood. Now one of your neighbor children done got hit. One of your kids may get hit. You see what I'm saying? You ain't thinking about that. You thinking about, oh, what's gonna happen when you hear it on the news. Yeah, come on, man. Dog, just keep it out the hood, man. Keep it out the neighborhood, man. You can go to some woods or something, man, and play real, play real paintball. Play real paintball. Go out there in the woods, man, and bust at each other all day. You want to do it like that? Man, y'all killing people cheering. Man, y'all killing people babies, man. Then when you get caught, you can't go up the road. Now you turn into a woman for shooting this man over here. Now you go up the road and now you're a little lady. Come on, man, true story. I done seen it, man. Man, quit hurting up these people cheering, man. Squirrel, what up? I'm gonna tell you home and get you something to eat, man. But like I said, man, go follow me. Subscribe me. YouTube, man. Cooking with Rock in the Hood. True story. You know what I mean? And tell me what you think, man. Cause I'm always cooking the truth. You can believe that. That's all I know, man. I'm walking around with chiletas on my feet, nigga. Straight up. Ain't no J's, nigga. Flip flop. Real shit, nigga. What you had, what you got. And niggas out here renting clothes and shit now. True story. Tell me some real shit, boy. That's how it's going like that, boy. We need to get this shit right. Cuz, what up, baby? You good?
Yeah, just sitting.
Man, just in here cooling out with the little dog on YouTube right now. Posting another one of my little videos eating.
You got a YouTube?
Yeah. Cuz, but don't be eating that chicken sandwich from Popeye, boy.
Why?
Something ain't right with it.
I already had it.
Oh, long and it's super anal. You don't supposed
Good.
you don't supposed to be, you don't supposed to taste good.
What's your YouTube name?
Holly Rock, you can find me on the Holly Rock, cuz. Holly Rock, hashtag cooking in the hood with Rock. Go, you get me on Google faster. You can just Google my name. Holly Rock, true story. That's what I be doing. Hey, like I said, man, go fuck with me, man. Cooking in the Hood with Rock, true story. Like, subscribe, and we're gonna handle that from there. Be blessed.